Welcome to the next dimension of vehicle extrication. Thanks to the revolutionary LUKAS E3 Connect series. Each LUKAS E3 Connect device is equipped with a unique and smart sensor technology, being informed about the status of each device at any time. Roll warning, saltwater submersion, events of drops or collisions. How? Easy. The cloud support and IoT-exchange of the brand new Captium service platform makes everything possible. It connects with each and every LUKAS E3 Connect device in your fleet. The locator function shows where the devices were the last time logged in, with all your devices safely on radar, for a better overview whether the devices are ready for use or not. Magic? No. Wi-Fi, letting you see your equipment health after data upload, through alerts and notifications. Even seemingly invisible damages are rendered visible through immediate data transmission. Maybe it is magic. Fast and easy fixes through service requests and the most effective tool management of all time. Our mission? Making you feel even more confident on each and every rescue mission. Because you can rest assured that your equipment is in tip-top shape and ready to use. The future of life-saving is in your hands. Discover the next E3 Connect dimension. LUKAS.